So this week, previously, we've been working with tables, forms, reports, queries, and this week we start to get more into advanced table design and more specific queries. And queries are very, very powerful because they're a way for you to pull in information and manipulate that information to have more derived data. So you can, and I did a little example of that last week when I had the first name and last name and came up with a complete name. You could apply formulas halfway through as you're doing the query, or you can derive more information. You end up storing that in a different table. There's lots of different things you can do with queries, and we start to touch down on that a little bit. Additionally, one of the things they start to do is they start to look at what I would consider, they call it advanced tables. And when we made the tables before, they're simply a storage house for information. This allows you to kind of get more into the meat and potatoes of what you can do to that storage house as you put in data to allow I don't want to say more accurate information, more ways to filter the data before they're actually put in, and really get into the meat and potatoes of things. And if your database is well planned and your tables are well planned, you can really accomplish some good things as you go forward. But so far, so good. The results using the Cengage have been pretty good. People have been communicating very well. There's been a few technical difficulties, but I think we worked through that fine. And I think Cengage is a good platform for kind of manipulating the information, but also letting me see how that's been manipulated and giving me proof where that's concerned. So keep up the good discussion work, keep up the back and forth, and so far so good. I've been very pleased with things. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, good job.